location offers attractions and landmarks. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that help people like guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.1. It is the superb honesty. You can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine, ambience, opting for dietary options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Room category seventh. Room category eighth. Category 9. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. 9 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID and check-in. Further deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and booking policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share